Hey, I'm Josh, and you're wondering how I edit my videos. Okay, let me show you. Okay, question. What is my inspiration to filmmaking? Well, you know him.
Wait. What's his name again? Oh, it's Gobs.
Yup, you're right. He's a living legend.
And eventually, when I was 4, my parents enrolled me into painting.
A year ago, many of my videos are inspired a lot like him. Well, I'm pretty sure you copy a lot of his videos, right? What? No, it's not. And let me tell you why. Well, you know me. I watch 1,000 of movies, anime, in over a year. And of course, I'm not just watching all those movies just to enjoy it. Every scenes, every story, every angles, every movements, and every aspects of filmmaking are very important to me. I try to memorize all those shots. I rewatch if it's needed. And of course, I study a lot of video tutorial here on YouTube.
Decisions that aid what's already going on in the scene. These are visual cues to let whoever's watching know how to.
And I rewatch my favorite YouTuber and study how he did it.
Always film the shadow side. This will give you
Okay, question. How I edit my art videos. So this is a different ways of how I edit my art videos like him.
down, front, or overhead light.
Which is the hardest way, but it works for me. Okay, first, I don't prepare the script. I just go jump to Epidemic sound to find what mood of the music that I like to download. And I choose something like this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And once I find the music that I like most, I'll play that music up to 3 to 5 times. And mark every beat. This is where I imagine what shot should I film in every beat of the music.
Quando o sol se pôs,
Just don't forget the last time of what I said. Just film now and more later.
foi a alma que
Just be the best version of yourself and don't compare yourself to others. Learn from them, study from them, and someday you get better. And then you will get inspired the others as well. So how do I manage to film my videos while drawing? Just like I said, sometimes I don't plan either. I just wanted to enjoy making the art, but of course, at least document your process in every 15 seconds each. You just need to be creative in every angles and ideas that you have in mind. Just film everything, because sometimes less is more. If you don't like it, just repeat it. Up to 3 to 5 clips, and I do that every time and each time I film my videos. Just let the editing and the music handles everything. And once I finish all of my editing, don't forget to add the voiceover. Hey Josh, you don't have the script right? Well, yeah, you just have to make one. This is now where I create my script. I review my videos from the start, and then I make a short script in that scene that I wanted to. Make sure that the voiceover is perfectly fit before the transition. Not too long, not too short. Sometimes I'll tell the story of how I do it. I'll make some story. And of course, for a little bit of spice, adding some color grading, adding some effects, and for the final reveal, add some feelings. This is more like the cherry on the top, and I edited all that using the CapCut. Back in the day, I done a lot of videos here on YouTube using the CapCut. And yup, with the use of this phone. Well, it is broken again. But have you ever tried the CapCut on the desktop version? Well, if not, you have to try it. It's amazing. This is a game changer for me, especially for a CapCut user, because I've been using the CapCut for over 2 years now. And yup, I'm not lying. A lot of my past videos is edited using the CapCut on the Android version. So if you're overwhelmed with a lot of editing software out there like the DaVinci Resolve or the Premiere Pro, you might want to consider using the CapCut for much easier use. There you have the AI Autobit, which is you can now mark the audio without a hassle. Masking. I personally use this in my videos like this. So if you worry about the noise on your videos, the noise reduction is my favorite. Within just one click, it will automatically remove the noise just for you. You can also color grade. Just drag your LUT and adjust the strength, and you're good to go. And there's a lot of features that you can use that is powered by AI. So a big thanks to CapCut for making this beautiful. So how long does it take to edit a video? That's a good question. So once I've done the hours of filming, every time I edit my videos, sometimes I'll take a break in every 2 hours for just 30 minutes. In that time, I watch. I take a nap, I work out, or sometimes I go for a ride just to see the sunset. So now to answer the question, it usually takes me about 2 to 3 weeks to edit a video, but it's totally worth it.